Tangier, Morocco, an ancient port city just 27 kilometers from Spain. For centuries, it's been a strategic point of commerce between Europe and Africa. Today, economic activity has expanded from merchants trading produce and other goods to high-tech manufacturing for some of the world's biggest companies.
So this is our steering wheel activity. We do about 1 million of these a year. It takes about 6 months to train people to be able to make a steering wheel in the correct time. So we started off with about $2 million worth of forward netting business annually. And then now we've grown to about a 40 million euro per year sales, doing more and more complex products.
Julian Furman is GM at Poly Design, an automotive leather company operating in Tangier since 2001.
We make a variety of interior trim parts for the automotive industry, and we work for all of the main car companies such as Audi, Volkswagen, BMW, Jaguar Land Rover, Renault, PSA, Ford, Volvo, so we have about 35 customers. When we decided to come to Morocco, basically the proximity to Europe, also the cost structure.
An attractive cost structure because the company is part of the Tangier Med-Free Zone, one of several free trade zones created by the government, and are proving to be a boon for many companies like Poly Design, one of more than 650 businesses in a zone sprawling over 3,000 hectares. At the Lear Corporation, production is fierce as workers generate thousands of seat and headrest covers 6 days a week. Being part of the special zone pays dividends for Lear Corp.
On the free zone, the corporate tax is 0% for the 5 first years, and after that it will decrease it to a rate of 8.75%.
According to the World Bank, from 2005 to 2012, Tangier has created jobs 3 times faster than all of Morocco. The ease of logistics is also a contributor to the growth, at least for one fashion company which sources its fabrics across Europe and China.
Before the port opened, the lead time was quite challenging, basically. A container coming from Asia was 30 to 40 days. A container coming from Turkey was 12 to 15 days. Today with the port, from Izmir or Istanbul, whoever, any port from Turkey to Morocco, we are talking about 4 to 5 days, and this is basically giving us a lot of advantage in terms of lead time, and we have been more competitive.
A sentiment Julian Furman echoes.
It's opened up new markets. It's enabled us to have a longer reach for our products.
A market expansion that's part of Tangier's renaissance. A renaissance businesses thriving in the free zones. Hope continues decades into the future. Eleni Jokos, CNN.